The following is Spring 2012 Math 115 Test 4. I will do number 13, 14, and 15 in this video. Number 13, factorize completely. We have 16x squared minus 48xy plus 36y squared. Notice that we have common factor for the coefficients and at least 2, but if you think about that further, you will see that we can factorize 4 out. Okay, such that the one left inside is 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. Okay. Now, then from here I will factorize the ones in the trinomial inside the grouping symbol. Now notice that it happens that the first term and the last term are both perfect squared. So I suspect this is a perfect square case. The base for this is 2x, the base for this is 3y, the product of that is 6xy, which if I double it, it gives me 12xy, right? So this pattern match the one from the perfect square case. This must be then 2x minus 3y squared. Okay. Now, of course, you don't have to do it this way. You can factorize the trinomial inside the parentheses here using regular way, even though it will take you longer time, but eventually you will get this answer. Number 14. Factorize completely. Let's check if we have common factor. 2 and 3, definitely no common factor. X without x here, no common factor. Both of them has y squared, but you don't have y here, so we don't have common factor. Let's go on to the next level. You have 4 terms here, so we suspect that this will be the case of grouping. I break it up into 2 halves. The first half, the first 2 terms, I can factorize y squared out. I get 2x minus 3. And for the second half, the last 2 terms, I can take, I think I can take 4 out. That I have 3 minus 2x. Right? Now, and then inside the grouping, notice that they are opposites, right? 2x minus 3 is the opposite of 3 minus 2x. So to make them the same expression inside the parentheses, what I will do is I will switch the order of subtraction here. Now this becomes minus 4. Is it okay? And then I factorize the 2x minus 3. I get inside y squared minus 4. Okay. Now, of course, then if you think about this further, you can factorize this further, right? Because that's difference of squares. So I break it up into, I copy this down, and this becomes, the second factor becomes y plus 2, y minus 2. That's for number 14. Number 15, factorize completely again. Notice that we have, it seems that we can factorize at least 2, right? For the coefficient, we have all even numbers, right? So we can take at least 2 out. Yes, we can take 2 out. And for the variables, I can take x squared out. So let's take 2x squared out, and the one left inside will be 2x squared minus 19x plus what's that, 24. Okay, and then from here I will try to factorize the one inside the parentheses again. This must be 2x and x. This must be minus and minus. As for 24, let's see. This is 124, 24, 1, 2, 12, 12, 2, 3, 8. That's the one, huh? if this is 3 here and this is 8 here, right? That will do. Okay, then well, we are done, right? Okay, this is from Spring 2012, Math 115, Test 4, number 13, number 14, and number 15.